Okay, here's question 3 on the foundation calculator paper. Here we go. The diagram shows the temperature in an oven. Write down the temperature. So what I need to do is to make sure I could understand the scale that they're using. If I look from here, 200 to 250, let's look at these big spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of those big spaces going from 200 to 250. So that means each of those must be 10. So let's see, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. Alright, so I've worked that out. That means that there is pointing to 240 degrees Celsius. Okay, you need to go through that process. Don't just guess it, but make sure you go through the process, check what it is, and make sure you understand. Okay, going on to part B. Okay, in part B, the question says, on the diagram below, draw an arrow to show the temperature of 125 degrees. So draw an arrow to show the temperature of 125 degrees. Well, let's just check that it is the same as before, going from 100 to 150. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, it's going up in tens again, the big spaces or the big bars. So that's 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So each of these smaller ones in between, they stand for 5. So that's like 105, 110, 115, and so on. They want us to find 125. So that's 110, 120, that's 130, 125 is going to be this bar here. So working across, okay, draw an arrow to show that temperature. There is that temperature, 125 degrees. Okay, going on to part C. Lorna switches her oven on at 5:50 p.m. She sets the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius. It takes 15 minutes for the oven to reach a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. What time will the oven reach 180 degrees Celsius? So basically we need to add on 15 to 5:50 p.m. So from 5:50 p.m. I want to add 15 minutes to that. Well, in 10 minutes it will be 6 p.m. and then 5 more minutes will be 6:05 p.m. 6:05 p.m. Okay, this question is pretty straightforward. It's 3 marks, right? Should be pretty straightforward to get. If you break it down into stages, follow exactly what they're asking you to do, make sure you get full marks.